Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how you can do a animation for free using Adobe Express with ElevenLabs. So we're gonna combine the audio using AI audio with the AI animation. It's totally free, you don't need to pay for it. At least you can try it first. So let's start with the audio, okay? We need an audio first. So let me go find some audio. Make sure you sign up and then you can go to text to speech right here. After that, you can input your text and you can choose whoever actor you want to use. For example, this one, Grandpa Spots Oxley. Let's try it out.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me when I was just 6 years old. Son, always speak the truth. People will never forget what you say.
As you can see, the AI audio sounds really realistic, like a human being, even better than my English, to be honest. But for now, I'm gonna use Rachel here.
You got to be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
So I'm gonna use Rachel as my voice actor. So I'm gonna put some text here. Let's write something. In this video, I will show you how to get let's say this is a female, right? How to get a boyfriend using social media. So I'm gonna keep it short so you can get the process of it. It's very simple, guys. Okay, basically just put in your text there and then you can click on generate speech.
In this video, I will show you how to get a boyfriend using social media.
All right, so we got our audio. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put it into our computer. Okay, so we got it in our computer. As you can see right here, it is saved. So we're gonna go back to Adobe Express. You can create your account, you can Google search it. This is the website, Adobe Express, just Google it. And then what you wanna go is, you wanna go down here, okay, this area, this section, and you can search for animate character. This one, on the very right hand side, you can see animate character. Click on it. Just gonna wait for a couple of seconds, hopefully. So depending on your computer and your internet access, it will depend. The character side, you can choose which character you want to use. Since we are using a female voice, we're gonna choose a female. Maybe we're gonna use this one. Okay, there are very many characters that you can choose from. You can see, but they are not loading well. Maybe because of my internet is slow. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the background first. You can go to background. You have transparent background. We have dungeon. We have night hallway. Unfortunately, you cannot see the background, guys, because I don't know, it's either my internet or the website is down. You can see, okay, it's my internet actually. So you can choose any background you like. Let me find a proper background. Okay, we're just gonna use this one, graveyard or cemetery as an example. And then you can choose the size. Okay, the size, if let's say you want to upload it into a story or reels or TikTok, or if you want to upload it to YouTube, you can choose landscape. But for now, I'm gonna use this story. Anyway, we're just gonna use landscape for now. I changed my mind. Let's use story reels. So again, you can choose whatever aspect ratio you want. You can even customize it. And then what you can do here, we can browse and upload the audio, guys. Okay, this is the audio that we got from here, okay, that we just created. So what this will do, okay, what Adobe Express will do, it will combine, okay, they will do dubbing. Basically, they will dub. Okay, so the movement of the mouth and the audio will sync. They will sync together. The movement of the mouth and the movement of the audio, okay, it will sync together. That's what this AI tool is doing. Okay, this is a new technology. I would say it's very exciting, and it's free at the moment. maybe, okay, maybe we have a lot more new users, I think they will charge for the monthly fee. Okay, that's what they all want to do. So basically you can see it's already done, guys. We didn't even put a credit card there, right? So we're gonna play this. Let's see it.
In this video, I will show you how to get a boyfriend using social media.
As you can see, it's perfect. To me, it's perfect, guys. Let's replay it again one more time.
In this video, I will show you how to get a boyfriend using social media.
As easy as that. Very simple. I just click on this button to save it to my computer. Let's see, will it save it or will it ask us to pay? As you can see, it didn't ask us to pay. There is no watermark. Okay, let me play the video here. Okay, the size not right. Let me put it here. You can see this is already in our computer. Let's play it out.
In this video, I will show you how to get a boyfriend using social media.
Perfect. Perfect. At the moment it's free. I don't know what's gonna happen in the next time. Anyway, guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and I'm gonna make more video of this about AI and how to make video using AI and a lot more. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and hopefully you can use this video to make more content and monetize your channel or your account. Okay, there's no more excuse for you about Eddie, I'm shy, Eddie, I don't want to use my voice. Well, now you can use animate character. Now you can use AI voices. Alright, guys. Anyway, I'll put a link down below. If you want to use any of these tools, there's a link. It's an affiliate link. It will help me greatly in making this video if you use my link. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.